Benvenuti! You are listening to 101 Ways to Transform the Way You Cook. We are on episode 13, Invest in the Best Utensils. This episode is about. I will read you a bit and then we'll chat again, okay? Every week, buy yourself the utensils that you've always wanted. You may find that by cooking at home, you will save so much money that you will be able to afford to buy a brand new item every week. This is another life goal to becoming a great cook. This will give you so much pleasure. When you cook, you will be proud of yourself. This will empower you in taking back the reins for your health. It will excite you into cooking and you will be in the moment and enjoying it. There is nothing so exciting than when I have bought something that I've always wanted. Just recently bought myself an ice cream maker and I'm learning how to make gelato, sorbet, the yogurt, frozen, and it's so exciting. It's like I'm a little child with a new toy, but the excitement is in the anticipation of prior to getting it, where I've decided this is what I want to buy this week or this month, depending on my finances, and then I've gone and bought it, and then I bring it home and I pack it like a little kid, just getting a Christmas present because I'm just so excited and I just want to try it out. And I just want to zone myself in that momentum of just cooking or just using whatever the utensil is. So every week, if you just don't buy takeout for a couple of days, you've already saved $50, $60, $100. And you could buy a utensil with that, beautiful frying pan or a beautiful pot, a hot pot, or ones that they cook all day, the pressure cookers, and anything. I don't have the head at the moment to think about those things. But what I wanted to say is every week you could buy yourself something new. And then when you've gone to cooking classes, then you can come home and you can try it. You could try different recipes that you're learning along the way through the weeks. Look, it's so much fun. Cooking is fun. It's not a chore. It's just changing the mindset of how you perceive it to be. So join me every week as we do 101 Ways to Transform the Way You Cook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and you too can become the great cook, the highest version of yourself in your domain, in your kitchen. Don't look at what everybody else is doing. This is about you learning to become a great cook. So join me on 101 Ways to Transform the Way You Cook. Ciao.